Welcome to Hapton Valley Boats, a professional but affordable canal boat holiday company based at Reedley Marina in the heart of Pennine, Lancashire. At the canal side, you can view Pendle Hill as it dominates the horizon with its ever-changing silhouette and legendary stories of folk history. All our boats are 4-star rated, from Portus, a 45 feet narrowboat, to Vintage, our brand new 57 feet wide beam. So if you're a complete novice to the experienced helmsman, we have the boat for you. Our staff will give you expert tuition on the operations of your boat and navigation skills along the canal. We will explain all the routine on how to operate a lock safely, as a single boat going up, 2 boats abreast going up a lock, and the same again going down a lock. Once the tuition is over, you are free to cruise Britain's inland waterways. Take your own pace along the summit of the Leeds-Liverpool Canal through the Foulridge Mile Tunnel and stop for a well-earned break at one of many canal-side facilities, serving real rural food from local produce, and taste some real ale and a glass of wine whilst admiring the countryside. After the summit, you reach the Pennines, where breathtaking views take hold of your thoughts due to its unchanged landscape for centuries. The most perfect setting for those relaxing sunsets and lazy mornings. Cruise under the double-arched bridge and around the S-Bends, reported as Britain's best natural stretch of canal on your journey to historic Skipton. Cruise to the Bingley 5-rise locks built in 1774, and then you could cruise to Saltaire to visit the World Heritage Centre. This really is the fastest way to slow down. So book your holiday with Hapton Valley Boats at www.canal-cruises.co.uk or call us on 01282 771 371. We look forward to seeing you.